Okay, just a quick follow-up video from our video from yesterday. I figured out what I was doing wrong. So I got it back together. This key still doesn't work, but figured out what I was doing wrong. So we can take it out of the housing. So basically I'm going to show you how to take this apart and rekey it without picking it. Push these wafers down still. Okay, so there's one. Two. There we go. All right, so we got it taken apart. So we're gonna take this top plate cover off. And sometimes you can get lucky and all the wafers will stay in, but other times not so much. So what we want to do is have that right there. So I'll show you guys this real quick. So basically what we want to do is have this channel, oops, all lined up correctly. All right, so you can see how that's all lined up correctly. So now, if we're very careful, we can put this back in here like that. And we can put the sidebar back in. Okay, so now we have sidebar depresses into it, so it's all everything's lined up in the groove. We can line this up back into the housing and basically, oh, there we go. Okay, so we turned it into the point where you would depress the pins, so you can use this to push that. Okay, so now let's do this. Take that out, put it back in. Oh, Jesus. Don't do that though. Forgot the. Okay, it still works. Awesome. And with that, we have fixed our smart key. Oops. Awesome. Just wanted to do a quick follow-up from the last video.